So having waited over a month for my Mavic Mini to arrive from DJI for review purposes, etc., it's finally here. It got stuck in Hong Kong for a few weeks, but I'm so happy that it's finally here. Now, I did have my hands on one some time ago, just on the launch day, in fact, at an airport, randomly. But yeah, now I've got my own. Now, that's not it. That's the Mavic Pro. Just wait until you see how tiny this thing is. Look at that. It's titchy. And quite honestly, if you haven't seen the Mavic Mini in person, go to a shop and just get your hands on one, because you literally will not believe how tiny this thing is. It's extraordinary that this thing actually flies and is a 2K capable drone as well. And it's just tiny and so lightweight. Anyway, lots of reviews and videos coming up very soon with this little thing. Comment with what you'd like to see me testing. I have posted on the main channel's community thread as well, asking the same question. But I'd like to know what you'd like to see me testing on this that hasn't already been tested, or maybe has already been tested by others, but you'd like to see the DroningON version of that testing. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to visit the main channel and subscribe to both. Cheers.